Hey, if you are using your HUAWEI Sound Joy speaker and you have also this notification at the bottom of your screen that your speaker cannot communicate with your phone, so first of all I can recommend you to go back from the boot settings and simply restart the Bluetooth, like this. Next you have to grab your speaker, power off by using this power button, so you can click on it once. If it is not working, just click and hold until indicator disappear and until you hear that notification sound. Next, click and hold this button one more time for a few seconds. Now you can release when it lights up, and then click once on this Bluetooth button to enter for the pairing mode. There we go. Now you can put it close to your device. On your phone, you have to basically restart the Bluetooth or any other device. Then click to pair new device and select your HUAWEI Sound Joy speaker and accept the pairing. Right now, please subscribe to my channel, and that's all. Bye bye.